Hi guys, welcome to 5K3P program for Tuesday, 10th of November 2020. The markets are crazy and our portfolio is being stable. So some good news, some bad news, and so let's just begin. I will bring first a disclaimer and tell you that this video is for informational, educational purposes only. So trading is for grown-ups, you take your own risks. Here all about education. I will start today with just the news and just maybe look at the broad market, just have a look at what's going on with the let's go just simply to Thinkorswim and look at the charts and see what's going on with the market. SPY, look, this just looks freaking crazy, right? So we had lots of major news in the past few days, elections, some earnings announcements, vaccine news from Pfizer, and so on. 90% effective. What does that mean? Well, so markets went crazy. We have an increased volatility. VIX, look at this, just going crazy up and down. You know, like the current level of VIX is 26. And you all know what it means. VIX 26, time to be worried, time to be, taking care about your portfolios and managing the positions. Looking at the calendar quickly, we have on Thursday, November 12th, we have lots of announcements, interesting, and especially here, watch this Fed Chair Powell speaks announcement. So Thursday, November 12th, there may be some news, major news about monetary policies and so on, maybe stimulus, maybe some more printing. Groups, just to have an overview, day performance, like we talk, energy, consumer, defensive, industrials, these are doing good. 1 week performance, energy, financial, industrials, basic materials, gold. Basic materials is also okay here on the 1 day performance. And you see basic materials also 1 month performance quite okay. It looks stable, you know. Energy also repeats itself all over the place, 1 week, 1 month. And if you look into the stocks of the energy sector, you can quickly find something to trade if you like to. I generally don't like to trade in conditions like this when we have so much volatility. I'm not like a day trader, I don't swing trade things, I like cash flow. So this environment is not really good for cash flow. But we can find some stocks which don't move that much. And if I just change the criteria here, optionable and maybe shortable in the US, something with higher volume, so over 2 million, energy sector, I can find some companies which could be nice to trade, you know, and performing quite well. You know, we have some positions which I don't want to manage anymore because they're like max loss anyway. So Apple, we talked about this last week. If we just go to Analyze tab, that's going to be faster. So it was a broken wing butterfly, and it's just basically sitting there on the max loss, it just went down. I didn't manage it probably properly, could have left it earlier. I just didn't expect Apple to be, stuck in at that price level. I expected it to move a little bit, to recover. It didn't have a strong recovery. If you look at the chart, I had like higher expectations, out of this, especially here when it created this kind of W pattern and announced earnings. I was thinking, oh well, that may move up. There is dividend coming, but it didn't do that. Next position is gold, and GLD basically looks like that. Actually does not look so great. It has 10 days till expiry, and it sits in kind of like the beginning of this something what I call the Bermuda Triangle. It's a keyword that I learned from my own mentor. Why does it pop up this? I want to draw. So kind of like this configuration here suggests Bermuda Triangle. We're kind of like in the middle of it. That's a place where I usually would manage the position. However, gold had such a big dip down that when you look at the chart, look at this, it had a huge gap down and looks like kind of recovering right now. So I'm not rushing into managing this position, rolling it down yet. It's not moving that much anymore. Look, the candle today, it's not huge candle. It looks like a little dodgy there, and suggests that it may kind of come back a little bit to the levels of 178, 70, something like this, 70, 118.